Are you looking to get Google seller ratings via Trustpilot? Do you need a boost in sales? Hi, I am Francisco. I'm the owner of Planet Marketing, a digital marketing company. We specialize in Facebook ads, Google ads, and remarketing. Today's topic is Google seller ratings and Trustpilot. I'm going to talk about what are Google seller ratings and Google product ratings, how Trustpilot gathers reviews and syndicates the overall seller ratings to Google ads, and Trustpilot's pricing along with the competitors' pricings. So before we get to the video, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel so you can get useful marketing tips. You should also sign up for our Planet Marketing newsletter. This channel is made for business owners, marketers, and aspiring business owners. All links will be in the description. Let's head over to my computer. So what are Google seller ratings and Google product ratings? Over here in this area, you see an ad. This is Google Ads, CPC text ads, and these are the ratings. So these are known as seller ratings. In this case, these are ratings for bestbuy.com. These are overall ratings, not for a specific rating. So these seller ratings are ratings for a company as a whole. BestBuy.com is the greatest company ever. Oh, they have great customer service, or maybe the company sucks. I don't know. So seller ratings is for the company as a whole. Now the product ratings here, and you could do your own search query and see this here. Same company, Best Buy, and these are product ratings. These are not CPC text ads. These are Google Shopping PLA ads. So what Trustpilot will do is syndicate the reviews that a company gets, in this case Best Buy, and push those ratings into Google ads, specifically the Google CPC text ads. That's the Google seller ratings. For Trustpilot, they will also take the individual review or the ratings for an individual product and syndicate that from the product page into the Google Shopping PLA ads. Okay, so Trustpilot is an authorized third-party review aggregator. I'll put the link in the description so you can go check it out yourself. And there are about 30 companies that are authorized by Google to syndicate your seller reviews into your Google CPC text ads. Trustpilot is right here. A lot of these companies, they're in German, Japanese, or French, Italian, Spanish. So I made a list of them and I'll put that in the description. Okay, so regarding the product ratings, which is this part here, that's a different program that Google has. So on seller ratings, this one's the product ratings, and you can see down here there's a lot less companies, and Trustpilot is one of them. Okay, so just a quick recap so you have a better view, and you could do a search on this end when you overseas with Western Union. These are the seller ratings, and these are product ratings. I actually wrote a blog post reviewing Trustpilot a while back. And these are the types of companies that should use Trustpilot. E-commerce companies, especially if you have any of these, PrestaShop, WooCommerce, Magento, Shopify, definitely. A lot of people have Shopify. They can also work with custom e-commerce softwares, so just talk to the sales rep and they'll be able to help you out. Maybe they have a plugin. Service-based companies are also companies that would work well with Trustpilot. Now this is service-based companies would only use seller ratings. E-commerce companies would use seller ratings and product ratings. Service-based businesses typically don't have products. They don't do any shipping or anything like that. So those are your accountants, lawyers, plumbers, real estate agents, and stuff like that. Now, who shouldn't use Trustpilot? Basically, companies that are not doing any type of advertising. These are going to be your local restaurants. Maybe they only use Yelp or something like that. Cafes, auto repairs. These people do not advertise on Google Ads or Google Shopping. Now let's look at Trustpilot Pricing and the competitor's pricing. So if you have a service-based business, you do not need product ratings. You only need seller ratings. So this video is about Google seller ratings and Trustpilot. It starts off, they have a free version here, but I don't know if that's actually what the limitations are. But their light version, it starts at $299, and they will begin to syndicate your seller reviews and ratings into your Google CPC text ads. Now, for the e-commerce companies out there, you have to start on their Pro plan, which is $549, and then it's an add-on. So a lot of this stuff is going to be automated. That's really cool about Trustpilot. You don't need to hire an employee or add another duty to an employee to start gathering reviews and syndicating. So the program will do it all by itself. So you can see this add-on. You got to talk to Trustpilot about see how much more it's going to cost in addition to the $549 a month. If you have a big e-commerce website, then you're going to have to go custom. And I forgot to mention earlier, the type of companies that use Trustpilot are most likely going to be established companies, not the ones that had just started off and not the mom and pop shops. Trustpilot works great with medium and large size businesses, especially e-commerce websites, and there's a bunch of competitors out there. One of the best competitors, at least that I think of, is Shopper Approved. Disclaimer, I do sell for Trustpilot, I do sell for Shopper Approved, and I sell for a bunch of these companies here on this list of seller review aggregators and product review aggregators. I'm just trying to help you make the best decision you can before you start spending a bunch of money. So Shopper Approved here, which is a competitor of Trustpilot, if you go directly to their website, it's $199 a month. If you go through my list or through my link, it's $159 a month for up to 2,000 reviews, and then they have a scale. This is a lot cheaper, $159 a month for e-commerce product reviews or seller ratings compared to $549 a month. The reason one of the main reasons Trustpilot is a lot more expensive, which they are a great company, by the way, is because they have a lot of employees. I think it's either 400 or 700 employees, and they have outside funding. And Shopper Approved has no outside funding. They are a privately held, family-owned business. Coming back here to this list of Google approved seller rating companies, Shopper Approved is here, right here. Shopper Approved, and they are right here for the seller ratings and product ratings. And one last thing, if your e-commerce website is getting about, 10,000 or more transactions per month, you're going to want to look at Trustpilot. If you are a service-based business, you could consider the light plan and consider Shopper Approved as well. Take a look at both companies. I've been working with them for many years. Okay, now back to the video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Again, this channel is made for business owners, marketers, and aspiring business owners. If you need help with online marketing, contact us on planetmarketing.com. We specialize in Facebook ads, Google ads, and remarketing. One last thing before I go. Advertise today, get sales tomorrow.